What's up everybody, Ammar here. In today's video we will talk about how to install Fortnite game on Android. If you are new to this channel, in this channel we have unboxing and reviews for the latest technology gears and gadgets, photography, videography tips, camera reviews and gaming. So consider to subscribe if you are not already. Nowadays everyone in the gaming industry just talking about Fortnite. It is an amazing game. This game developed by a company called Epic Games. Epic Games, they just made this game available for Android users. For now, the beta version of Fortnite available only for Samsung Galaxy users. And later on, this game will be available for all Android users. Now, what is the hardware and software requirements you need to be able to install this game on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet? You need to have 64-bit Android 5 or higher. For the RAM, you need 3 GB of RAM or higher, and it is compatible with the following models from Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets. It is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S7, S8, S9, Note 8, and the new announced Note 9. And it's compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 and Tab S4. So if you have one of these models, you can install Fortnite today. You cannot install Fortnite directly from Google Play Store. You need to use Game Launcher to be able to install it. I will use my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to install this game, and I will show you this now. The first thing you need to do is enable Game Launcher. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, and then Games, and you need to make sure you turn on the switch for Game Launcher. Once you have Game Launcher installed, start it. For me, I have the game already downloaded and installed, but once you start Game Launcher, you can look for Fortnite, download it, and start using it. By the way, the downloaded file from this game will take 1.88 GB from your storage. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.